I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing.
What's up, YouTube? It is yours truly, Bryson. As y'all can see from the title, you're gonna be spending another day with me. Well, a weekend with me. Right now, I'm currently about to go run some errands. So like always, you know, you're coming along with me. So let's go. So today, y'all, I am on the hunt for a couple of things. I'm gonna get some silver jewelry. I have a lot of earrings, but I don't have as many necklaces and I have no bracelets at all. So I'm hoping to find at least one cute silver bracelet. Then I want to see if I could price an electric razor. I use Nair to shave my, to remove the hair on my legs and then, other part. I want to get an electric razor to shave downtown, if you know what I mean. So hopefully I can find one for a decent price that's not too much, because I'm going somewhere this weekend and I want to be shaved head to toe. I say head to toe, I mean head to toe. I want everything to be bald. So with that being said, I already have Nair. I think I have a little regular handy dandy razor, but I don't have a electric razor. And I'm thinking that's the best way to go with shaving downstairs, because I know they have this, an electric razor called Manscaped. I don't know if y'all familiar with that, but I ain't got no Manscaped money, and I don't know if I can find a Manscaped today while I'm out and about, but maybe I can find something similar. So yeah, I'll see y'all at the first stop. Yeah, y'all, I forgot to mention, I know y'all could tell that this quality is completely different from the last camera. Not from the last camera, but from the last video. And that's because I'm on a completely different camera. So yeah, shout out to me for the upgrade. But anywho, y'all, this is where we're at. Okay, yeah, I'm here, and immediately this bracelet caught my eye. And the only thing is, I don't got no woman's wrist. So I'm gonna have to find something that I can add a jury extinguisher. I mean, a jury extension. Yeah, she got a couple of things in here. Fine Dutch. That's cute. Bracelet, Bryson, bracelet. Look at this, y'all. This to y'all. Yeah, I'll be back when I find something. Okay, bye. Unfortunately, y'all, Bells did not have what I was looking for. However, I must say they did have some cute stuff. I was tempted to grab something, but I'm gonna be disciplined and only look for what I came for. So yeah, I guess we're going to the next store, child. You know what? Walmart never let me down. You can say whatever you want to say about Walmart, but one thing you can't say is that Walmart don't be coming in clutch. Okay, let me tell y'all. So I have an outfit. I'm gonna spray. Hold on. Hopefully y'all can hear me over the air. I'm gonna cut it down. So I have an outfit that I want to wear. Thank you. I'm just. Okay, like I was saying, I have an outfit that I want to wear this weekend, or that I plan to wear, but I wouldn't mind upgrading it. Thinking of maybe finding a different pair of shorts, maybe something a little more comfortable. But if not, I'll just work with what I have. I don't necessarily need to buy another pair of shorts, but I would like to buy some jewelry. I have hella earrings and necklaces too, but when it comes to bracelets, I don't have many silver bracelets, so hopefully I can at least get one bracelet, and I feel like Walmart ain't gonna let me down. That's where we going. Yeah, I've come across the trimmers. The closest thing I see to the Manscaped will be this right here. But who's paying that? So let me check the women's. Cause you know women's, they shave downstairs too. So maybe lady shaver. Yeah, I just want to shave, you know, downstairs too. Right? It's the same thing. Because I've used a traditional razor to shave down there, but oh, they have it. I think. Is that it? Manscaper? I don't know. But most likely, I think honestly, I'm gonna just get a traditional razor and just do what I've done before. I guess go with what's cheap and effective. Just exfoliate afterwards. So yeah, I guess that's what I'm gonna do. Just get a regular razor and make it do what it do. This right here is $9. And nah. Okay, y'all. So these are some shorts that I found. And surprisingly, they fit well. Only thing is, can I move in them how I need to move in them? What y'all think? Should I get them?
What is it?
These black jean shorts.
You know, get me on still.
I'm not. Okay, y'all, I'm back at home. And this is one of the outfit options. These are one of the shorts that I bought today. And they're not as flexible as I would like them to be. But if I was to wear it, I feel like the best shoe would be this one. Perfectly with the shirt. Okay, let me show you the next. So y'all, I bought the same pair of pants, just two different sizes. If I don't wear it, I will be taking it back. These are the 2X. So off the jump, I don't like these. I don't like the cargo pocket, and they low key tight. It don't match the occasion. It really depends, y'all, on which do I like more. Lay told me that the gray pants would be cute. And to be honest, y'all, all the pants fit exactly the same, literally. But I know the cargo pants is a chop. I'm not gonna do the cargos with this outfit. Third choice. And 50-50. Purple or the gray could go. I don't know. I'm gonna figure out what outfit I'm gonna wear for Saturday. So yeah, you'll find out then what I decide to wear. See y'all soon. Hey y'all, Future Bryson here. The clips you're about to see now are from a couple of days earlier, prior to the clips that you just seen. Carry on. Hey y'all, so right now I'm currently with Lay. Say hey. Is it centered? And she is about to give me a manicure.
Whichever bitch wanna come get it, I got it, I'm giving out work, I'm apply. These bitches talking
that shit and ain't saying my name, and I can't keep just letting it fly. They got a sub, they got a tweet, they gotta go get they hunger with me. If I was still doing broke shit with your broke ass, and your broke ass it won't be. Hey, when I start getting money, I'ma tell you the truth. All the hoes that was hating got their ass cut loose. Bitch, know a little business, wanna put it in the news. They'll take it to the net, but I'ma take it to the booth. Give a bitch an inch, she'll take it to the moon. Hoes let us stir the pot, and I'ma get a bitch a spoon. Bitch, I'm the one, you ain't even the two. You would never be cool if I wasn't. Whole lot of fake ass, make ass, backstabbing, hating ass, no money, getting ass bitches. Y'all acting really ungrateful, I'm sparing you hoes. I been coulda fucked y'all niggas. Whole lot of fake ass, make ass, fake ass, hating ass, no money, getting ass niggas. I really been sparing you niggas. Your girl hate me, cause I been shitting on y'all bitches. I'm the motherfucking pen, pepper, player, bench, rent, a trick daddies only y'all care by now, nigga. Hercules, these bitches is popping, is potent, the shit they be tweeting, they gotta be smart. Every nigga favorite.
Bring it down a little bit. Can they see me good? Okay, y'all. So the time is currently 2:53 and Lay has officially finished. So that's what we're working with.
Can I get a snapshot of this?
Fuck it. Damn, I want these to go in the thumbnail. I don't think
Go like this now. So here, what do we have? The thought process behind these?
I'm not putting that in there. Just get the nails. Okay.
I don't know what that means. Are we out of storage?
Alright, bye y'all. I'll see y'all in the next clip. Okay, hey y'all. So, I don't know if I told y'all I was gonna take a nap. I didn't end up taking one. But I just got done. They just did me a new set of nails. I'm gonna show y'all once I get done. Did you find some of this? But right now, it's 7-11. And I was like, okay, cool. I don't know, look, I'm just gonna get ready. I don't know where we're going, but it's best to just be ready. Stay ready, so you gotta get ready. So, I got my handy dandy nair. Like I said, I wanna go bald. And yeah, I'm gonna go bald. Just at the same time, I was thinking like, what if I just like do, you know, the important parts. But I feel like for this occasion, well actually, just in general, just do a full body shave because I got hair here. I got hair on my stomach, of course, like I said, downstairs, I got hair. So I was like, let's do a full body shave. So I'm gonna start with my arms first because I'm gonna wash the nail off when I get in the shower. Hold on, let me get a towel. I'm gonna start my arms. Well, I'm gonna start up here first. What else do I have to? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do my arms, shave my arms, my armpits, chest, stomach, and then everything else I'm gonna do in the shower. I'm gonna need like a little. Play some music, and then I'm gonna get started.
So you wanna roll with a good girl, do it big, do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Wanna roll with a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like I should. What's up?
On my mind, I pass my bedtime, we're at the kingdom. Alone in my place, my heart is away. All that I can think of is we get married. We get married.
See? So I'm not gonna make y'all watch me shave my entire arm. So I'll see y'all once I get out of the shower. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. The shirt with the pants, with the shorts, with the shoes, and the bag. And I redid my makeup. All I gotta do is put on setting spray, and then I'll be ready to go. I just gotta pack this bag with a little couple of essentials. Let me go and spray my face. I don't need setting spray. I just gotta put up, I got some butter gloss, but butter gloss calls for a lip combo, and I ain't got time for no lip combo.
You're lying, you're not in the car yet.
Okay, bye y'all.
I lost my phone.
Don't do it too.
Toot it up in the front seat.
Get my water out.